This car's been sitting for a minute. Another Mazda, 2 Mazdas in one day. That means the third one's coming. They always come in threes. All right, we gotta fill this Mazda. We got 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. All right, we got one option. Just cut it. Good.
Hi, my name is Alan. I'm in Phoenix, and I wanted to know if I could have some help getting into my car.
Yeah, we can help you out. What's the address? All right, key is done. Let's go program it. Let's see if this car has power. He said he lost the key. I might cut a key. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
So, what happened to the original key?
It got lost.
Oh, really? It was in the ignition.
It's in the ignition?
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
And I cut my key.
I'm about to right there.
All right.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just gotta charge it up now. Been charging all day on my other battery. Oh, maybe it's not dead. Maybe it's not dead. Maybe it's just disconnected. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's parts of the battery right there. Okay, it's not dead. The chip is in this part, so it probably, yeah, that'll start it. The engine's bad. Alright, well, let's program this chip real quick because 2009. Here's your security light. That's why my key won't do anything yet. Yeah, key program. Mazda by vehicle. See, this is also a Mazda 3. Key type 2. Ignition is on. Connection error. Type 1. Connection error. I don't even know what kind of car this is. Maybe it's a Mazda 6. Oh, Mazda 6. Does that actually make a difference? Maybe it does today. Wait, that's like keyless? I think that's like keyless. Which can do add keyless? Programming. It said connection error, but yeah, it's blinking. Get rid of, oh wait, key. So 09. $2010. 2010 Mazda 6 key. Now it's working. There we go. Success. I went to program the keys, so I put the battery on.
Okay, because I had it disconnected.
Oh.
That's my fuel line.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah,
I disconnected it right there. So.
Yeah. So don't
crank
the
it.
fuel will come out.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Well, then it won't start actually.
It won't. No. Yeah.
I took the fuse out. Never mind.
Oh.
The fuel won't come out.
Okay. Good.
I took out the fuse.
I was gonna say none came out. So.
I remember now.
Let me check this chip. Maybe there's no chip in there. Hold
okay.
on.
Well, I'm gonna make sure the fuel comes out.
Yeah. So who lost the key? The homeowner lost it?
Well, the thing, bro.
Yeah.
I have been trying to get this for going for them for like 6 months.
Yeah.
And they like never ever follow through. So I told them I'm gonna be gone for like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Get your key. Hold on to your key.
Yeah.
When I get back, I'll come and get your key.
Yeah. What's up?
I have to let them know what everything's on.
Are they gonna sell me or what?
My sister's actually gonna tell you.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna tell her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because they'll get the money tonight.
Never took that one.
That's how that shit works. Like they'll have the money tonight. But right now we're gonna do it for them.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. It took this key.
You can.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's good. So yeah, I'm all done.
That's good.